So I recently bought my house and have a garage for the first time, and it was dark in this garage when I first got it. It had a single light bulb up front. Now I have that, which I'm covering now, the 3-panel LED light that I got here from Amazon, and well, it's really lighting my garage up really well now. I can see really well in this garage, even at night. And so yeah, if you're looking for a way to cheaply light your garage up a little bit more, this certainly gets the job done. That puts out a lot of light. 80 watts of LED light is a ton of light, and yeah, this is putting out a significant amount of light. You can see I'm having to cover it up because it's just completely blowing out my sensor on my camera. So yeah, if you're looking for a way to brighten up your garage and you've landed on this page, go ahead and buy it. I think you'll appreciate it as much as I did. Just because I was thinking about hanging some other lights up in here, but that makes it totally unnecessary. So if you want to get some lighting into your apartment, into your garage, these bad boys would definitely do it. I'm actually thinking about grabbing some for my spotlights outside, see how they work for that. So we'll give it a shot. Hey, you have a great day. Take care.